icon. If you have the app icon or if you have the web browser, whichever you have, you're going to go into it. All right, let it load up. And as you can see, these are explore surveys. So if you live near these locations, you can get these surveys done, right? But for me, I live nowhere near these locations. As you can see, this one is at Crossroad and it's $10. This one is at New Kingston and it's $10. And this one is at Crossroad as well and it's $10. These are the surveys are normally complete, but for now they are having a upgrade. So I don't have any surveys to complete right here. These surveys I do not take part in because I do not live near none of these locations. So I just let it be. Sometimes a 10 or 13 they will send me, and all of them are in a Kingston. So I just look past it and stuff like that. And look how much they are paying, guys. $10. Now let me withdraw. Let me show you how much I have in my wallet first. So this is the amount I have in my wallet, $8.65, and I'm going to cash out everything to my PayPal account. So to cash out, I'm going to select cash out right here. Then if you have as you can see, Payoneer is a part of the payment process. The mobile top up now, that never work. I try it and never work. I never show me in Jamaica or whatever, but normally do PayPal. And as you can see, it says $5. The minimum cash out is $5, but you can, even though it says $5, you can cash out more than the $5, right? So after I press next right here, so it's going to show my PayPal email. So I'm gonna have to cut out that part because I don't want my personal information on the internet. So I'm gonna select next. It bring me right here. So this is as I said before, them said the minimum is $5, but me have more than $5, so I'm just going to cash out everything. I'm going to select next. Then after I select next, I'm going to write in the amount I would like to transfer to my PayPal account, and the amount I'm going to select write everything. Want everything to come out, so I'm just going to write $8.65. After you enter the amount, you're going to select review. After I select this, it's going to take me to my personal information again, which is my email, my PayPal email, and never cut out that. So if I bring it to this page, you're going to select confirm, the one at the bottom of the screen. After I select confirm, it is going to go straight to my PayPal account. Just give it a moment to load. Whenever you send the money to your PayPal account, all you need to do is just check if it confirms that yeah, you really see your money. I may tell her it's not the first me I cash out with this app. I cash out a lot of time. Sometimes I use my money shop online or I use it do other stuff, right? So it's not a quick thing, and you can do surveys and make it take you up to $100, $50, any amount. It just depends on your choice and how long you want to do these surveys for. So let me know if you guys gonna try this up in the comment section. And remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and look out for more videos.